Mercedes-Benz CLE is here, the fourth generation model of premium Mercedes-Benz SUVs. It comes with a suite of intuitive safety system for its driver and passengers, the most advanced technology, and a spacious and comfortable interior that fits 7 passengers.
This is the all-new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. It is the 4th generation of its segment. So some of the features is, for the first time in a mid-size SUV, it comes in a 7-seater. It also has a larger wheel size, which comes at 21 inches. And also it has the newest entertainment system called Mercedes-Benz User Experience, Hey Mercedes. So it's voice control wherein you give a command such as Mercedes-Benz, Hey Mercedes, take me home, or Hey Mercedes, turn on the reading lights. It also has 64 ambient colors inside the vehicle.
Inside, both driver and passengers will find the GLE even more spacious and comfortable. The cockpit features a wide digital screen enhanced with a full color display for a more convenient experience with the MBUX infotainment system. The exterior design exudes presence and power and sets a new standard for aerodynamics in the SUV segment. Its 4MATIC engine ensures great agility on the road and superior performance.
Pagdating sa piyesa, maintenance parts and sa mga electrical parts niya, wala pong dapat ikabahala din. Majority of the parts, it's already available here. Majority of the parts. And maybe siguro yung mga parts na talagang hindi naman talaga moving, maybe nang o-order natin. But for service parts and suspension parts, electrical, no problem.
Global Star Motors Corporation, the authorized dealer of Mercedes-Benz, has launched the new GLE on Vismin Markets in an exclusive media event at the Mercedes-Benz showroom, Lanivel Hills, Cebu City, last August 10, 2019. With Joel Noel and Albert Tobre, Dan de Luzon, MyTV Cebu.